Hi, hello everyone. So, this is free, accessible, and inclusive. Please follow and like SGRC Review Bohol and follow and like also FB page St. John Review Center Talibon Bohol. So, uh, please follow to update the online platform Q&A Hub Learning. So, your SGRC Review Bohol or St. John Review Center is committed to breaking down barriers to education. Knowledge should be accessible to all. And here, it is not just a philosophy, it's our pledge, no? So, know someone passionate about criminology. So, let us invite them and let's grow this community together. So, the questions, ito po ay lumabas noong February 2 and 4, 2024, CLE exams, no? Uh, so, these questions ay uh, galing po ito sa Drugs Education and Vice Control. So ito po ay belong po sa ating sa board exam ng criminologists ay ito po ay under sa Criminal Detections and Investigations or CDI. So ang tanong, the group of drugs used as a pain reliever. So ang choices po natin is letter A, opiates, B, crack, C, shabu, D, coke. So, ano po ang tamang sagot or correct letter answer? So, ang tamang sagot or the correct letter answer is letter E, opiates. Bakit opiates ang sagot? So, ang opiates po ay tinatawag po nating group of drugs derived from the opium poppy plant. Isa po itong tinatawag nating opium poppy. So isa po itong halaman, no? And D includes substances. So ano ba ang mga substances ng opiates? Like example, morphine, codeine, and heroin. So tatlo po ang substances na maging example po natin sa ating tinatawag nating halaman na tinatawag nating the opium poppy plant. So ang ibig sabihin ng opiates are widely used for pain relief. So in medical settings, due to their analgesic, mayroon po itong analgesic ang opiates. Pain relieving po siya. May properties po siya na makapa-relieve ng mga pain. So, these drugs act on the central nervous system or CNS and are often prescribed for moderate to severe pain. Okay? So, ano naman po ang ibig sabihin ng TRAC? So, TRAC is not a group of drugs used as pain relievers. So, hindi po sakop sa drugs itong letter B as pain relievers. So, it may be a term associated with drug use, particularly in the context of drug addiction, and the visible or tracks left by repeated intravenous drug use. So, ano naman po itong letter C, shabu? So, ang shabu, tinatawag po natin ito sa kaniyang substance na tinatawag po itong methamphetamine hydrochloride, no? Ang shabu ay refers to methamphetamine hydrochloride. So, powerful and highly addictive stimulant drug itong shabu. So, it is not used as a pain reliever. So, hindi po siya sagot kasi hindi po ito ang tinatanong. Kasi ang tinatanong, ano po ang drugs na tinatawag nating pwede po makapa-relieve ng pain. So, ang shabu, it is not used as a pain reliever. Kaya hindi po siya sagot. So, rather, it is associated with illegal drugs use, no? enhanced stimulant effects on the central nervous system or CNS. So, lastly, itong letter D, coke. So, ang coke po is a colloquial term for cocaine, a stimulant drug. So, similar po ito sa una na tinatawag nating shabu. Kasi, stimulant din po itong coke or cocaine. So, cocaine is not used as a pain reliever. So, same lang po ito. Hindi po ito ginagamit sa pain reliever itong coke. Same as shabu, no? So, it has stimulating effects on the central nervous system, but it is not prescribed for pain relief. Hindi po ito, wala po itong prescription na ito po ay pang pain reliever. So, ito po ay hindi pang pain reliever. So, stimulant lang po ito, ang klase ng drug, itong cocaine. So again, it is not prescribed for pain relief in medical settings itong coke or cocaine. So, in summary, opiates ang sagot natin. So, ang opiates are the group of drugs commonly used for pain relief in medical context. So, the other option, itong crack, no, shabu, and coke are not associated with pain relief and are often linked to illegal drug use and stimulant effect. So, kaya ang sagot po natin, ang tanong, ano po ang drug na ginagamit as pain reliever? So, the group of drugs used as pain reliever. So, I repeat, the correct letter answer is letter E, opiates. Okay? So, thank you so much. God bless you all.